If you can watch this video from the beginning part to the end part, I guarantee you profit. I guarantee you that whenever you use this strategy, you will always make money. Out of 10 times when you take trades, you are going to win nothing less than 8 or 7 times. And this is what I mean. This is my screenshot of the history trade, the trade that I've taken on my Profit account. And as you can see it right there, you can see the trades that I've taken and how I managed to go out of the market. I'm going to be showing you the simple step-by-step process of this strategy. So as you can see right here, this is actually one of the trades that I took. First of all, if you look, I've been taking sells on Euro JPY. If you're on the free Telegram group, you will understand what I mean by that. I've been sending this signal. People have been capitalizing on this simple strategy, and guys, this strategy has recovered me so many losses. And let's dive into the video. Subscribe and like this video. This is the Euro JPY on the 4-hour time frame, and this strategy is just very simple. It's just you using 3 different time frames, and you don't need to go further than that. Just use these 3 different time frames and I guarantee you profit. I guarantee you profit. If only you can backtest it, know how to use it correctly. Trust me guys, this is the end of losses for you. At least if you're making trade, you should be making profit, not being in loss 247. No, you'll be making profit, making your withdrawals, just like the way I'm making profit on this screen. Okay, so right here, stick with the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, and the 15-minute time frame, and also the 5-minute time frame. Just for more confirmation, use the 5 minutes time frame. But for this one, I will say that you should only stick with these 4 different time frames, which is the 4-hour down to the 1 hour, down to the 15 minutes, down to the 5 minutes. So I'm giving you 4 different time frames for this profitability, and this is how it works. First of all, I will start by identifying my structures. What is the trend? If you look generally, we are bearish. And how are we bearish? Price has been creating this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then price came to break a higher low, causing what? A change of character. And this is where our analysis started, okay? Because with this, we know the kind of trades we are going to be taking. So it changed character from the bullish market to a bearish market, and the market came nicely, tapped into this supply area, which you can actually see here, and it dropped down, giving us a break of structure from this low, right? Price broke structure, and later on price violated this high, went all the way to the upside, and this was a BOS again. So this is a break of structure, price broke structure. So we're actually selling to the downside, right? And if you look here, price is obeying and respecting the supply areas, which you can actually see here. This is another supply area which price actually respected. So for us to see that, we are going to be taking sales only. Okay, we are going to be taking only sales. Anything buys is not just going to be our thing for this market. So right here on the 4-hour, I noticed that there was a break of structure to the downside, just like the way this one did. Okay, break of structure, then traded all the way to the downside. All I was waiting for, if you watch my previous videos, I actually sent some of these videos to the YouTube. I was waiting for market to react from any of these supplies, okay, any of these supplies, but the market did not do anything like that, and price just pierced it, went all the way to the upside, and reacted from this previous one that price already reacted from before. You can actually see price came into it, tap the second time, so it actually took out this high, right? So I said to myself, this market for me has not flipped that bullish for us to start looking for buys at this moment. So all I just wanted to see was, since price is already inside supply, after that, this supply, if this supply later got broken, I'll just be looking for buys all the way to the upside, just like this. But instead, price still respected this area, changed character. So now on the lower time frame, we are going to be going to the 1-hour time frame to see what price did here before it actually started selling. So right here on the 1 hour, I noticed that price actually came into a supply area on the 1 hour. it took out that high, tapped into a supply area on the 1 hour, and what happened? Price, you can see, took out this highs, which you can actually see here. Use this as an inducement, and price changed character all the way to the downside. And before that, you can actually see that price was creating this kind of change of character here: higher high, higher low, then higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high, higher low, then higher high, then a higher low. So this is where the whole thing started getting interesting. And upon this change of character, I was very, very interested to actually look for myself. Okay, and this was the break of structure to the upside, tapped into this demand, this supply area. Then what happened? Price changed character. Immediately price changed character, there was a supply presented. First off, I had these two zones to sell from. One is this area of supply. I was waiting to sell. Once, if I get any change of character on the 5 minutes, I will get to sell from that zone. So it's just very simple. And the second one is this one, which was here, which price data tapped into. And first of all, we got our entry right there. The signal was sent to the group, guys, so don't mistake this. Kindly go and join the Telegram group now so you don't miss out on anything like this. So right here, it changed character, tapped into supply, and limit was set right there, and price went straight to profit after ranging for some time. So after this, the next day, I was still asking myself, let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what price did. So after that price did this, I noticed that there was a break of structure. Was there any supply given after this break of structure, which you can actually see here? Look at the break of structure, internal break of structure that happened. After the price did this, I was like, okay, this is making sense. If price can actually come into this area of imbalance supply here, okay, if price can tap into it, change character, then we look to sell. So this is when I went to I went all the way to the 15 minutes to go and check for confirmation. So if you look right here on the 15 minutes, you can see that price actually, after the price broke structure, it went inside. No change of character, no complete change of character. So price just went all the way to the downside, breaking structures. Okay, price still broke structures from this low. You can actually see this low, which you can see here, broke structure. Then before this break of structure, I was like, this supply is actually valid. But I had to extend it all the way to the highs. Okay, so I extended it just like that. I was like, okay, since price has missed this, if price can still get back into this zone, which is around here, so price actually came to this zone around 8:30 a.m. in the morning during the London session. So this is when I got my entry right here. And guys, trust me, this was the one of the perfect trade. Little to no drawdown. It just ranged a little bit, then it's dropped. So if you look at this area, my main target was around here. My main target was around this region. So price came, hit take profit nicely. So this is the kind of trade you can actually take when you understand this whole market structure of a thing. And price just kept tanking all the way to the downside, just like that. And right now, because of supply, the market has actually approached a demand area around this zone. We are looking to buy this market from this area, because even though you can see from right here, price took liquidity from that low, tapped into demand area, just exactly what happened around it. That is what is happening now. So price has changed character, just like the way I showed you guys. Price has given us this BOS, right? then change character from this high. This is a change of character from this bearish push to this bullish push now. So at this point I am waiting to actually long this market from this zone. And guys, this strategy is a very nice strategy, and if you are not profitable yet, kindly make sure you backtest this very well. And it works countless times. It works, I'm telling you the truth. And guys, this is just the end of this video. Kindly like and subscribe. And if you don't understand anything about this strategy, it's just you starting from the 4-hour, analyzing your structures, getting your zones plotted out, then down to the 1 hour. Then after the 1 hour, if you see any corresponding zones inside your 4-hour zones, then you get to mark it out. Then on the 15 minutes, you wait for change of character, or 5 minutes to wait for change of character. Then you look to buy or sell from demand or supply zone. It's just very simple, guys. Just keep this strategy simple. It's not hard. Just if join this group now, you can see the way we are going to be taking these buys to take out this high first of all, just like the way we actually did around here. And you can see all the way from the 4-hour zone, change character. This one the same thing, all the way from the 4 hour. This is a 4-hour zone. It took that low out, tapped into this demand, which you can actually see here. So it tapped into it nicely, and price has changed character now, giving us that bullish intent that I'm ready to buy you to the upside. And guys, we too, we're also ready for the market to actually take this market to the upside. And it's very simple and very easy for any trader to actually trade. And just learn how to handle your emotion while you are trading this, because it's very simple. It's very simple. Risk your 1%, then target 1 to 2. These are my results for this past week, and guys, it has been going very well, and I thank God for that. And see you guys on the next video. I just hope you guys can just use this, because it's working very well. It's guaranteed that it's working, guys. It's working. And you too, you can also do this thing that I'm doing. See you guys on the next video.